So in this video, we're gonna build a script that's going to create folders for each type of file that we have. So for example, all files ending with JPEG or PNG, which stands for images, are going to be moved for image folder, and the same is going to be applied for documents, for audios, for compressed files. Let's start building this one. We start our program by importing the necessary libraries. All are Python built-in libraries, which are shutl for moving the file, os for making some operations with the folders, and JSON to read our file. So our first function basically checks if a folder exists. If it does not exist, it's going to create that folder for us. Then we have a simple function that loads the JSON file that holds the extensions that we have. I downloaded this file from the internet, so you can Google it for extensions and categories in GitHub or any other site, and you can find it. I found this site which gives the extension and a list with the categories of extension. For example, 3GP is as one category in this file, which is video. Then we have another function that basically given a file name, for example image.png, just gives us the PNG, the extension. We are trimming the dot here. Then we have a function for move the file, but this function makes sure that the folder, the destination folder exists. Then it moves the file using executing this command and prints to the console the file name and the destination folder. So this is our main program, where we encapsulated the logic of the program using all of those functions that we define here. A quick note that I can give here is that by default the Python works in the folder where this main.py is being executed. So we need to change this to this folder here, which is our download folder. So we first open the file, the JSON file, but later we need to change to this download folder to start listing all the files that we have in a download folder, not the folder that this main.py is located, by our download folder. Now we're going to run our script to see how it works. Make sure that you are running the script from the same folder that this file is located. So otherwise you have to specify the full path to this file. Let's go to our download folders. As you can see, I have a text file, I have an image, I have some applications, I have a zip file, I have a mp3 file, I have a video, and a folder. A folder is not going to be touched by our script. So let's run and see what happens. Or we have an error. So let me see what happened here. there's some error, but let me try again and see if it works. And it works. As you can see, it moved our files to a folder. It created a folder for the category of the file. For example, created a folder named archive for the zip file to place only zip files. He created a folder called audio to place only audio files. Doesn't matter the extension. He created a folder called exec for executables, where he placed all executables that it found. He created a folder called image, where all the images will be stored. A text to store text files, video for video files, and if you had more type of files, it would do the same that it did here. So our script is working. So if you like the video, please leave the like and subscribe, because I'm going to bring more and more automation videos every week with Python, and see you in the next one.